Hi, Just Mary family. Welcome back to the channel again. Today we are discussing stress. Does the thought of planning your wedding stress you out? Does it stress you out? Does planning your wedding stress you out? That is so common. And today we're going to discuss 3 of the most common things we hear that are stressing couples out. And we're going to hopefully help you solve these issues. But you know what? We want to hear from you. So if you have something that's stressing you out, please leave it in the comments below. And we will certainly try to address that for you. And before we get into things, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If not, be sure to subscribe below, hit the little bell, and you'll be notified when we post a new video, which is every Wednesday. So with that, let's get started. Okay, so for the first thing that I want to discuss are family expectations. Those can be so difficult to deal with. For example, we've had couples who are paying for the wedding themselves, but then they'll have a family member who thinks it should be much grander or just be totally different. I mean, have you seen that before, Victoria?
Yeah, I've had couples who have had either of their parents pay for any part of the wedding, and because they're paying for it, they want it the way that they want it instead of the way that the bride and groom want it. So, and that's always been an issue. But how I just try and help navigate my couples, I just let them know, come to an agreement, and then everybody can have a wonderful day on the wedding day.
Absolutely. And we try to remind couples that the wedding should be about them, and they should be, while they're not neglecting their guests, and we certainly want the guests to feel welcome and included, that they really have to worry about pleasing themselves, and if they try to please everybody else, they will lose their minds. So just try to start thinking that way, to be able to relax and enjoy everything, that they have to make themselves happy, right? Don't you think overall? Now, the second biggest issue we have pertains to family drama. So Danielle, I know you're in the middle of getting engaged. Maybe we don't, or you're in the middle of planning your wedding, I should say. Maybe we don't want to discuss your family drama because we love Danielle's family, but maybe we want to talk about some other family drama that we've seen from some of your clients.
Sure. So a lot of times, like Victoria was saying, that parents get to contribute into the wedding because they're making some sort of payments towards the weddings, and sometimes we find that clients get surprises on the day, whether it be things that were booked that they didn't know about, the parents booked. I've even had a bride whose dad made a PowerPoint presentation during their reception as his speech, and she wasn't aware about it, so she was a little bit embarrassed, but it was a very sweet speech and presentation. But sometimes that can add up to a little bit of family drama.
And how do you suggest that couples handle family drama?
I would say, addressing it for sure. I think that it's better to talk about it rather than have it blow up on the wedding day or anything like that. Privately, not in front of everybody, is the best way to go.
Absolutely. And if by some chance you do find on your wedding day you get a surprise, an unwanted surprise, the best thing I can suggest is take it in stride, smile, try to remember that whomever did it was meaning well, hopefully to give you something great, because you shouldn't let anything get in the way of your wedding day. Don't you agree? It's really, you have to enjoy that day. It happens so quickly that nothing is worth getting in the way of that. Right. So before I discuss mine, I want to see, what are your biggest concerns about drama or expectations on your wedding day? Please share that with us in the comments below, and we're going to do our best to answer those questions for you or hear your thoughts on those. As far as from my perspective, I've been doing this a really long time. I think we're on 26 years, and I've seen a lot of craziness. I was just talking about one of my weddings where the mother of the bride decided to try to the mother of the groom tried to outshine the bride. And so she dressed up in this gorgeous white wedding dress. She had a beautiful figure, was absolutely stunning, but the bride was mortified. And again, she just had to try and smile through it. I don't think I'd want to be a guest at any of their holiday gatherings. That's probably quite unpleasant. But we certainly try to encourage all family members to play nicely. But above all, as I discussed with Victoria's statement, was that you just have to try to address things in the beginning and then let things go and have fun. And hopefully everybody will be nice and go along with your wishes. And I'm sure we're going to do some future blog posts about family drama as we see it happen. So be sure to check out our blog. You can see that on justmarry.com. And if you know anyone getting married, please be sure to share this video with them. Don't forget to like and comment. And subscribe. Absolutely subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when we post a video every Wednesday. And with that, I think we're done with family drama, and we will see you in the next video.